Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I never thought that I'd have to do a video like this, ever. First of all, I want to thank you guys, so many of you, for reaching out to me, for the amazing comments on my Instagram, on my YouTube. For a lot of you guys who have no idea, I had an older brother that recently passed away, and it's definitely not easy. And I've been gone for a little while, and every day I try and put some makeup on and try and just sit down and film, and it's hard. And I'm finally just sitting down and doing this just because I figured I need to get back into a routine. And yeah, I need to get my life back together. I've been kind of in a dark place, and I don't even know what to say except that my brother was amazing. He had such an incredible heart, and unfortunately he did have a drug addiction, and we lost him October 25th or 26th. I don't even remember anymore. And every day has been a struggle for me, just to know that my big brother, I'm not gonna get to hear his voice again. I'm not going to get to have one of his amazing hugs. And when we were younger, we had so many great memories. And as I got older, got married, we weren't as close, but you know, when we talked for hours. I know that he was so proud of me. The fact that I got away from Florida and just took that step and got away from the small town. Sorry if this video is like all over the place, but I had to come on here and say that I'm coming back, and coming back to try and heal as best as I can. I wanted to make this video because, not only because I'm obviously coming back and I can't just, me in my heart, I can't just be like coming on here and just being like everything is okay. I am very, very grateful that he is no longer in pain, but I definitely have to get on with my routines. The only routine really that I've continued is going to the gym, because wow, that helps. My uncle told me, he's like, the gym can do so good, and it's true. So I also wanted to make this video because I wanted you guys to know that if somebody you love is going through some kind of drug addiction or any kind of addiction, and that you're obviously not alone, or if you yourself are going through it, if you ever need to talk, I will do my best. I might not always be my best on camera for a while, but I know that eventually I'll get through it. And recording videos, being on Instagram, being on YouTube is it makes me really, really happy. And I'm hoping that by just coming back and slowly getting back into things will get better. And I know they will, but I cannot wait a year from now where I won't feel like this anymore. Like, I can't wait to not feel like this anymore, because it sucks. And yeah. I don't know. Drug addiction is such a nasty thing that can hurt so many people around you, but it doesn't change the person, like, in your heart. It doesn't change you. My brother had always been such a smart and loving person. Absolutely incredible. He brought an amazing person into our life, Christy, my sister. I call her my sister, but they were practically, I don't know, I call her my sister, but I guess my sister-in-law, but she's so much to me. She's one of my best friends, and he brought her into our life, and I can't imagine life without Christy, and very grateful for that. And like I said, I'm very grateful that he's no longer in pain. But yeah, I just I needed to get this initial video out to you guys and kind of just do it, and just thank you guys for all my friends on Instagram who have talked to me and have just been absolutely incredible, and sending messages and texting, and you guys are wonderful. To all of my mom's friends who have just been by her side, seriously, I am so grateful for you guys. I did go to Florida for that service. I'm gonna be honest, it feels like I kind of just was there to support everybody. And I know it was the right thing to do, is to go, but yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it at this, that I will be back, and my next video will probably be a haul video, because let me tell you, I've been shopping, doing lots and lots of retail therapy. I will be honest with you, I'm definitely looking into, at least thinking about getting therapy, because talking to somebody, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Yeah, so I think that being back on YouTube will hopefully help, or being on YouTube and Instagram will hopefully help, and talking about makeup and and products, and talking to you guys, and fitness, and all of that stuff. Like, I'm taking it day by day, taking it hour by hour, day by day, and some days are better than others. I still have gone every day crying, but I'm hoping that it'll stop eventually, sooner rather than later. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for just being around and supporting, and just being absolutely incredible. I love you guys so much, and I definitely want to do something in the future having to do with drug awareness, and doing something, I don't even know, but I definitely want to do something. And for right now, I'm just gonna have to take it slow and take it little by little, and eventually something will come to me, and hopefully I get to do something amazing. And I hope that my platform, that I will get to do something great with this platform, and helping even just one person. And yeah, all right guys, I need to stop this video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys know how much I love you, how much I appreciate you, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.